my channel, guys. Today I will start my lesson, but before starting I want to clear a question asked by one of my subscribers, that why I am teaching English in this channel. Guys, there is a word which can answer the question, that adaptation or habit. If you listen English every day with little bit amount, you will be habituated with the language. Actually, it's my self experience. When I was first admitted in a college, then all the professors were giving lectures in English. First 2 or 3 months I have not understood what they are telling, but later on, day by day, when I was hearing them consistently, then I have understood what they are telling. The same technique, guys, I want to apply in my channel. Guys, remember one thing, if you don't miss a single video of my channel, you will be habituated with the language. If you understand English, if you don't understand English, if you understand a little bit, then please listen to me. Please be habituated with yourself with the channel. You will have a strong English hearing power, English listening power, and then you will get the speaking power, guys. Guys, on the basis of region, English has two types: first language and second language. What is it? If you are a student of a regional language, then you will have English subject as second language. But if you are a student of an English medium school, then your English subject will be as first language. Actually, first language English grammar covers up the exact English syllabus, and second language does not. So guys, I will teach you the first language English grammar on my channel. So stay connected with me. So guys, let's start the lesson. Guys, English is like an ocean and we are swimming in a small pond. If you open a standard grammar book, you will find so many chapters in English grammar. But for the sake of beginners, how to start English with minimum qualification, with minimum knowledge, I have selected some topics from English syllabus so that you can feel free to learn easily. So firstly, I want to tell you some terms related to the verb. Listen guys: finite verb, infinite verb, transitive verb, intransitive verb, causative verb, stative verb, regular verb, irregular verb. In the same way, there are so many verbs. But for the sake of beginners, I have selected some types which will be better for you to understand. Let's have a look on the. So guys, for the sake of beginners, I have divided verb chapter into 4 types: be verb, have verb, modal verb, and doing verb. Okay. Be means to be or to become. In English, there are 5 be verbs: is, are, am, was, and were. These 3 belongs to present tense, and these 2 belongs to past tense. Okay, and the have means to have something. Okay, there are 3 have verbs in English: have, has, this is present, and this had belongs to past. Clear? Next is modal verb. What is modal verb? Modal verbs decides the action, the status of the main verb. Okay, this walk, go, and go, how this walk will be is decided by modal verb. This walk may be done or may not be done. It is not confirmed. I may go, that means I will go or I will not go. It is my personal matter. Okay, so the same way, I must go means I have to go at any cost. If there are thunder and storm, then I have to go still. Okay, so these verbs decides that this work has to be done. Okay, so this is the modal verb. Again, I am repeating that modal verb means a verb which decide the status of the main verb. Okay, or which verbs tells how this main verb will be. Okay, how this main verb will take place. That is modal verb. In the sentence, there will be no single modal verb. This sentence has to be a main verb including the modal verb. Okay, so modal verb means the verb which determines or which modifies the main verb. Okay, so shall, will, may, can, should, would, might, could, and there are so many modal verbs, and I have written the very commons. Okay, you can add here must. Now coming to the doing verb. Doing means any action word, anything which shows an action, which shows an walk, like go, see, went, saw. These are the present tense or past form. these are the past tense or second form. These are the past participle, that is PP, otherwise third form. Okay, I will discuss in the next video in details, but this is in brief, and I have given this explanation in my video's description in a PDF file. Okay, please check it out and download free. So these are the verbs. Okay, these are the basic idea of verbs. If you have any problem, if you have any queries, you can comment in this comment box. Thank you.